Alright, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be putting on another wig. It's this red wig. And yep, so I ain't going to do all that talking. I'm just get straight into it. Like, subscribe, and comment. Share my videos too. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and take this off, put the new cap on. Alright, so I got the cap on. Let me get the hair and start prepping it. So this to her. I'm just gonna push this back, push all this back. Then I'm gonna put my lace tint spray on here. I always only put a little, because don't need that much. Let me sit that down while I put on my glue. I don't even know where to. Right here. Ready to put the wig on. It's clear. I'm just gonna do it like this because I got the what's it called on here. Make sure her push back and just lay it piece by piece. Now I got my mirror right here, so bring this up. This side needs to be plucked some more, so let me get my tweezers. Pluck real lightly. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my plastic band. Then I'll be back. Okay, so got this on. I wrap this around my neck, not too tight, because obviously I'm gonna choke. But I'll put this on here. And I don't know how I'm gonna style it, but I'm gonna figure it out. Let's see a middle part. I hate middle parts though, because for one, I can never get them in the middle. I'm gonna try. this is just the wig I already had. I ordered a new wig. Let me see what this metal part had on. So I'm gonna try the middle part. And then I'm gonna put some right here. So this part like that. Alright, let me get my hot comb. I keep having to stop because I'm trying to do a TikTok video too while I'm doing this. Ouch. I'm gonna just burn my ear and it's hard.
But I am ordering a new wig next week and put it on. So these wigs are literally all wigs I have that I just pick and put on for a video. But my still fix up and through it. So let me hold this. Alright, are we stopped? Cut this and this one. So I could have sworn that those curly things to do the I tried to do curly baby hairs before y'all do it. I don't have flatters this small to do it. So these are too big, I can already see it. Come on now. Come on. Alright, they're going on. Not getting what it was supposed to give. I need some more. Bro, how do I lose everything? Literally, where did it just go? Right here. I tried to do another part, I really did. But I like my hair puffy, so that's why I didn't do the mousse and all that other. Ah! Because I like my hair puffy. This is the middle part. Probably gonna change it to a side part because the baby has been doing it.
This is the middle part. Probably gonna turn to a side part. But this is the scalp. Let me see.
Okay.
I don't know. Let me put a little. That's my problem. Definitely think this is it. Side part always does it. Let me put a little more makeup because I changed the side part. That's a little too much makeup. I got some of it on the hair, but it should be alright. I forgot to finish my TikTok video, but I'm just gonna steal it from this YouTube video. Side part definitely ate. Stay up there, sweetie.